Welcome to today's Explainer. We're going to be transforming your Shopify store from a leaky bucket into an absolute high-converting machine. If you've been banging your head against the wall, burning cash on ads, and just trying to figure out why your store isn't making the money you know it should, well, you are in the exact right place. We're diving deep into the exact framework used to rescue failing e-commerce stores.
So, are you getting tons of traffic but absolutely zero sales? You're definitely not alone. But make no mistake, this is a massive red flag. A lot of store owners think the answer is just tweaking their ad budget, or maybe spinning up some new Facebook creatives, or begging influencers for shoutouts. But honestly, the problem actually goes way deeper than that surface-level marketing stuff.
Here's a stat that's a bit of a gut punch. The brutal truth is that 90% of Shopify stores fail within their very first 6 months. Just take a second to let that sink in. 9 out of 10. Poof, gone. And it's actually rarely because of bad products or picking a terrible niche. It's because of these invisible conversion killers that act like silent assassins on your storefront. The good news, though, is that these assassins are completely fixable once you know what to look for. We need to aggressively debunk the myth that more traffic automatically equals more sales. Because if your landing page doesn't answer 3 core questions instantly, can I trust this? Is it for me? And why should I buy right now? You have exactly 8 seconds before that visitor bounces. 8 seconds. That is literally all the time you have to capture their attention, establish trust, and prove your undeniable value before they click away forever.
Okay, here's our quick roadmap for today. We'll hit the traffic illusion, then tackle Killer 1, weak messaging, Killer 2, broken funnels, Killer 3, zero retention, and finish up with the ultimate conversion blueprint. Definitely stick around for that third killer, because it's the one most experts completely hide from you. All right, let's jump straight into Section 1, the traffic illusion, and why chasing more traffic is basically a complete myth.
Seriously, stop wasting your money on ads right now. Why? Because running traffic to a broken offer is quite literally pouring water into a leaky bucket. You could double your Facebook or TikTok ad spend today. You could get a viral video with millions of views. But if your storefront isn't meticulously built to capture and convert that attention, you're just paying for a more expensive puddle. Moving right along to Section 2, which brings us to our first silent killer, weak messaging, and what we call the first fold failure. The absolute root of weak messaging is an offer-market mismatch. For example, we saw one store owner shift from targeting all generic fitness people to specifically targeting anxious dog owners, and their revenue literally doubled in 30 days using the exact same products. Think about it. When you try to speak to everyone, you end up speaking to no one. But when a visitor feels like a product was engineered explicitly for their specific pain, price becomes completely secondary. And the difference in messaging is like night and day. Selling a generic luxury bamboo pillow kind of puts people to sleep, and definitely not in a good way. It's just a commodity that people are going to price shop for on Amazon. But selling the outcome, wake up without neck pain, now that presents a life-changing solution. You aren't selling the bamboo, you're selling the pain-free morning. You can actually fix your hero section today using this exact formula. Desired outcome plus time frame minus the pain point. So something like, get clear skin in 14 days without changing your diet. This is an incredibly powerful psychological trigger. It tells the buyer exactly what they get, exactly when they'll get it, and immediately removes the biggest friction point that's keeping them from pulling out their credit card. Okay, Section 3, let's talk about killer number 2, broken funnels, and the absolute danger of running ads to a leaky store. Before you spend another single dollar on ads, you really must run this rapid-fire 5-point store audit right now to make sure you aren't bleeding cash. Number 1, fast loading speed. It absolutely must be under 3 seconds. Number 2, a strong outcome-based headline. 3, social proof and reviews, highly visible above the fold without any scrolling. 4, a single dominant call to action. And 5, a flawless mobile-optimized layout. Miss even one of these and you are losing sales, period. This all builds directly into your larger funnel architecture. Cold audiences? Well, they don't trust you yet, so they need low friction, low cost, or even free offers. Warm audiences know you and are finally ready for the core product. Hot audiences have already bought and are ripe for upsells or bundles. So the crucial takeaway here is aligning your traffic temperature with the right offer. Pitching a high-ticket item to an icy cold audience basically guarantees a dead return on ad spend. All right, on to section 4, and our third killer, zero retention. Or, as I like to call it, the massive piles of money left on the table. Okay, get this. 80% of your revenue potential, it's sitting right there in repeat buyers. Yet, crazy enough, most stores have zero email automation set up after that initial receipt goes out. Think about that for a second. You're spending all your time, energy, and ad budget hunting for that first 20% of the pie and entirely ignoring the remaining 80% that's just sitting there waiting to be claimed. To capture all that hidden cash, you need to establish this minimum 3 email sequence in your retention stack. Day 1 is a simple thank you with a soft cross-sell. Day 3 is a check-in to build community, complete with powerful social proof. And day 14? That's your win-back discount to secure that vital second purchase. This whole setup takes maybe an afternoon to build, but it pays you passively for years. To really put the power of this into perspective, we had a client add $8,000 a month in pure revenue just by turning on these exact 3 automated flows. And they did it with zero extra ad spend. Think of what an extra $8,000 in pure profit could do for your business. Once this retention stack is up and running, it just quietly sits in the background, continuously scooping up the money that most stores are blindly leaving on the table. Finally, section 5, we're bringing this all together into the conversion blueprint. This is the exact agency-level framework you can use to scale. When you lock in these 3 pillars, message market fit to speak directly to customer pain, funnel architecture to perfectly match the offer to the temperature, and your retention stack to automatically monetize those repeat buyers, everything changes. It's a total game changer. You don't need to double your ad budget. You just stop losing the sales you should already be winning. This is how you actually scale sustainably. Let's look at how this plays out in the real world with a skincare brand that was, honestly, completely stuck for months. They had great organic traffic, they had a beautiful website, but their conversion rate was absolutely dismal, and they were right on the edge of just shutting the whole business down. Now, we didn't do some massive, expensive website overhaul. Actually, scratch that. It was way simpler. By implementing just these 3 specific changes to their storefront, rewriting the headline to focus on the outcome, moving 3 reviews above the fold for instant trust, and adding a free Glow Serum Today limited banner, they created a massive, undeniable reason to buy right then and there. The result was absolutely staggering. They jumped from a 0.4% conversion rate to a 3.8% conversion rate in just 11 days. And here is the absolute kicker. They did this using the exact same traffic and the exact same core product. They didn't spend more money, they just fixed the leaks. That is the true power of securing the foundation of your store before throwing more money at the wall. So, I want you to take a really hard look at your own store today. Which of these 3 invisible killers is actively draining cash out of your business right this second? Is it your messaging, your funnel, or your attention? Find the leak, fix the foundation, and stop letting your competitors steal your sales. The blueprint is yours. What's the first thing you're going to fix?